Hi everybody, so today we are going to be unboxing the, what is this, spring? Yeah, spring. Maybe we should try that again. Hi everybody, so today we are going to be unboxing the spring 2021 Kathryn Morgan Haul. I'm excited about this one. I think I say that every time. These are a quarterly subscription box, 4 seasons, quarterly, that comes right in the mail. And if you want to be surprised, if you're a subscriber and you want to be surprised when you get your box, click off, go away, goodbye. If not, I'm going to show you what is in the 2021 spring edition. The theme of this box is Juliet. So, already I'm excited. So the very first thing, as always, you're going to get a leotard. We partnered with Nikolai again on this one. And this leotard is quite stunning and very Juliet. This beautiful lilac purple cap sleeve leotard. You can see it on me here. Beautiful mesh back, just gorgeous. Mesh sleeves, once again, that don't dig into you like in the fall leotard we did last year or the year before, or the key tree one. It's so comfortable, so flattering with the princess seams and the pinched front, so it should be flattering on everybody. These leotards are just so comfy. All the Nikolai ones are so comfortable. So I am really loving this leotard. And the reason I went with purple is in New York City Ballet's version, we are in purple. Purple dress, purple tights should work out great. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch this video. Okay, so yeah. All right, so the next thing you are getting with your leotard, of course, comes a skirt. Lilac purple skirt. I would encourage you all to size up on this. They are a bit short. You can see on me I'm wearing the medium skirt and it's very short on me, so I probably would get a large. So I would size up if you want a little bit longer. If you want a normal short skirt, get your normal size, but little circle skirt works beautifully with the leotard. It's a nice little combination together. I don't know, very neoclassical looking, but purple. Just a nice little purple skirt. You can pair it with other things. It would look really good with a white leotard, maybe a light pink leotard, or even a black leotard, pink tights, purple skirt. That might be really pretty too. So with the leotard, you get the skirt. The next thing from Nikolai, we're going to start changing it up a little bit. I want to get away from more trinkets and give you stuff you can use. So one of the things you all ask me, one of the questions I get a lot is, how can I make my point shoes last longer? And the answer, you guys, is make sure they dry out between wears. So this is going to help you. These are the Nikolai point shoe drying inserts. And what you do is you stick them in your point shoes, and it helps to absorb the sweat. It helps to absorb all the moisture, and it will help your shoes dry out faster and last longer. So you put them in after a wear. I would still leave them outside your dance bag, but this is going to help draw out the moisture, draw out everything, leave them out. They will start to last longer if you dry your shoes out properly. And these little things are perfect for that. And especially with summer intensives coming up, I remember very well trying to make my shoes last as long as possible. Yeah, I got one more week. I gotta make the pair last. And then, of course, the last thing are pink tights from Dancewear Corner. Once again, you will specify your size on everything. But pink tights, especially with summer intensive coming up, can't have too many of those. So that is the 2021 Spring Kathryn Morgan Haul. Stay tuned for future hauls because we have some really exciting things planned, like stuff we've never done before that I'm like through the roof about. So you might want to stay tuned for that. If you missed the video of my boyfriend Christopher Sellers teaching that technique workshop, it's right down there. You can click it to watch. Love you guys so much. See you next time.